The hotel was kind enough to hook me up with this semi-presidential suite. Hello YouTube, I hope that you are having an awesome day. I am G from HYATT, and this week I am reviewing a semi-presidential suite at the 5-star Grand Hyatt Erawan in Bangkok, Thailand.
It's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away.
This is Suite 2220. I do like the double doors. Shall we have a look at a couple of highlights of this suite? After entering, then this is what you will see. This suite has a very large living room area, and there is certainly enough seating to choose from. TV with a Blu-ray player, dining room table seating 6 people. From here you can enjoy a 270-degree view.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah.
This suite also has a small kitchen. There's a wash basin, a 2-plate stove, coffee maker, got some coffee capsules in there, plenty of cloth napkins, bin, there are even some pots and pans, plenty of cutlery. Up here we have glasses, cups, saucers, even salt and pepper shakers. And in here we have dinner plates and side plates. There is a pretty well-stocked bar. In here we have a nice sized microwave oven, toaster and stands. And behind this door is a decent sized refrigerator. In addition to the refrigerator, there's also a bar fridge over here. This drawer holds more coffee, tea and cups. And down here is where you will find the kettle and even some mints. Let's go see what the bedroom is like. There are 2 control panels, one on either side of the bed, where you can control your air conditioning, room service, lights and alarm clock from. There's also a good sized dressing table. Let's go check out the ensuite. As you enter the bathroom, there's a walk-in wardrobe with slippers and a gown. The room safe is in here. And then after the walk-in wardrobe is the toilet, one of those electronic toilets with a heated seat. This bathroom features double vanities. The bathroom has a fairly nice sized bathtub. And in here you will find the shower. Absolutely everything inside this bathroom is so shiny. And finally, there's also a guest toilet. Thank you very much Grand Hyatt for this beautiful suite. There is absolutely no need to worry about power points to charge your devices. I counted 2 available power sockets in the bathroom, 5 in the bedroom, 22 in this living room and another 2 in the kitchen. I'm in the executive lounge of the Grand Hyatt Erawan, and the food here is quite good. It's kind of buffet style. yet you have to place your order at the buffet station where the chef is, and he will dish for you, so people don't touch utensils and don't touch food, so that's really great. So this is what we have here tonight. We've got some seafood Sujan soup, we also have some pork, there's some chicken, we also have the cheeses, cold meats and salmon. They also have a somtam station.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do?
I would totally recommend their iced coffees. They are so good.
Why didn't you call? So many years gone by. But I think about
The bed is pretty comfortable, but there was quite a bit of noise coming from outside, from the traffic, and also specifically from the SkyTrain. They do provide you with these earplugs here. I suppose it is because of the noise from the trains, but they didn't work so very well. The breakfast is pretty much a buffet style, but you do still place your order with the cooks or the chefs at the various stations. The food here is good. You can definitely taste that you're eating quality food. So I was told that the hotel is quite full this weekend, and it is now 8 o'clock, but there's not many people at the breakfast room yet. Today is my birthday, and the staff at the breakfast room just brought me this to wish me happy birthday.
do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you
The pool area is quite nice. These are probably also the fastest hotel elevators I've ever experienced.
Time to start it, and I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies.
This was a superb stay. There are no staff members at this hotel, only angels, and they take care of your every need with efficiency and a smile. The food is fantastic, and there is a very big variety of quality food at the breakfast buffet. The executive lounge is marvelous and offers wonderfully attentive staff coupled with tasty food and drinks in a very elevated environment. The swimming pool area is rather tranquil, and they have a large jacuzzi. This suite is large, beautiful and well appointed. It has a very well stocked kitchen and a fantastically comfortable living room. The bed was very comfortable, and the pillow menu with its variety of pillows ensures a good night's rest. This suite's bathroom and powder room has every amenity you could possibly need. This shower has to be the best shower I've experienced in any hotel. I particularly enjoyed the complimentary bottles of Italian drinking water in the bathrooms, in addition to all of the other bottles of drinking water in the rest of the suite and kitchen. There are many public transport options here. We are right on two of these SkyTrain lines. You have the Ratchadamri station, Siam station and Chitlom station, all within walking distance around the hotel. There are taxis, motorcycle taxis, buses, and this is the perfect place for shopping. You've got Central World right across from the hotel. Within walking distance you have Siam Paragon, Siam Discovery, Siam Center, MBK, Platinum and the IT Mall. Thank you very much to the Grand Hyatt Erawan for a fantastic birthday party and a truly memorable stay.
I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side.
If you are new to my channel, please do go ahead and subscribe. Also click the bell icon so that you'll be notified of more reviews like these. Also, please do like, share and comment. Tell me, what do you think of this suite? Click on these links right over here to see more reviews like this.
Now